RT Trend Template. In the RT Baseline Administration's configuration page, you can configure certain behaviors for your RT Trend, certain templates, if you will. Those templates can control things like the line styles, the line colors, text styles, etc. So if you, just to give you an example, here's the standard default formatting of trends. Well, in RT Baseline Administration, you can configure a different default or a different set of trend settings. So for example, here I've got a trend definition called myNameTrend, or a template called myName-trend, and when I apply that, you'll notice it changes what we see in the trend. Instead of coming up with the default color values, now we're looking at these that have been defined. Now this is done in RT Baseline Administration. So if I go into RT Baseline Services Administration, oops, I chose the wrong web page. RT Baseline Services Administration, we see RT Trend Configuration. This is where you can configure those templates. As you can see, my template simply has a couple of pen colors and a background color that are slightly different than the default values. So after you would configure this, you would create a new configuration, you would name it. After you create it, you then save it, and whatever you saved as that configuration, and whatever you saved as the configuration becomes the new norm for that particular setting for that template. So for example, if I don't like this background, I can go in here and change this to a different background and change pen colors, change the text color, the text font, etc. And again, we make use of that when we configure the trend. It is it's an option that's going to become available. For each trend configuration that you save, that will be a new option available for you when you configure your trends. Now, in the exercise that follows, we're going to go ahead and do an example of creating a fairly simple configuration like the one you see here.